Sway simply enables you to organize and design your content in a very creative and engaging way. And your content could be for reports, presentations, stories, newsletters, and you can share it with your colleagues or with your students. Or simply you can explore it with your students by presenting and submitting some of their continuous assessment tasks as well. All right, in this video, I will discuss three main points, which is how to start with Sway and how to access it. Two, what are the core functions of Sway, discussing the interface of Sway. And three, sharing options of Sway. Before I start, I would like to share with you, I would like to show you one of my Sways, so to get an idea of Sway presentation. Okay, this is the home page of Sway. And let me open one of my Sways. All right. So we have here in this ribbon storyline and design, and to preview to see how does it look like for others. When you share it with others, you either click design or play with animation features. So let's click play. All right. This way is this is for end of semester report of the Writing Center Committee. And as you can see here, the layout is horizontal. It has three layouts: horizontal, vertical, and slides by slide. All right. So this is the heading card, image with caption, and here's text card. Sway goes brilliant with multimedia, pictures, videos, and here is a heading card with background of an image, and here is a group of pictures. We have a video here. All right, so let's start our points. Point number one: how to start with Sway. You can access Sway by two ways. Number one, by Outlook email. So from your Outlook email, you can see here from the app launcher, you have the applications of Microsoft 365, and one of them is Sway. If you cannot view Sway on your list, so you can click all apps, scroll down, and then here it is, and then you will click Sway. I am on the web version right now. There is another way to access Sway is by downloading Sway and accessing from Windows version. And here you have to download it from the Windows Store. And of course, because you have an account in Microsoft 365, it's for free, right? So this is what I get when I click Sway from my email. And to access the homepage, you need to go to all Sways, as I showed you in the beginning. All right, let's go into detail the core functions of Sway and discuss the interface of Sway. In this ribbon, it has here if you wanted to create a new Sway, and from here you can start with a blank one or with a template one. And from here you can start from a topic. So Sway will suggest for you like even kind of content and kind of pictures, audios, and videos. And here, start from a document. You will upload the document and then you will turn the elements of this document into Sway presentation. From on the top here, you can access some videos tutorials for Sway. And on the bottom here are my Sways. Under edited, it means the ones that I created or started with. And under viewed, I haven't created them, but I viewed them. So they are others, Sways. And you can access them later on again under viewed. For analytics, you will get some analysis for your Sways that you shared with others. So after you share your Sway, you can get some analysis, for example, total of views, average time spent, and we will discuss this in the sharing options if you wanted to know the identity of people who view your Sway. All right, so let's click on create new. By default, you will start by adding the title of your Sway. And as you can see here, you have two tabs. You have storyline and you have design. For storyline, this is where you will add your cards and you will add your content. You will organize it and then you will choose the style for that. For the design, like you will click on how you will, if you wanted to preview it, how does it look like? And here for play, like Sway will add some animation features. And from here, you share it with others. All right. So let's say you wanted to do the writing center report, for example. Okay, and this is if you want the emphasis. So you can select on something specific to make it bold. Let's say the writing center, or you can add accent. So it's going to be italic, or you add link to other websites or other files on your computer or in OneDrive, right? And from here, you can add the background picture. By clicking here, you can just drag the image from your desktop and bring it here. Or you can simply click here, suggested one. Like you can get the image from your OneDrive or from other apps like Flickr, Ping Images, Picket, YouTube, or from your device. Let's see what kind of if you haven't got any pictures on your device. So let's see what I will get. All right, I can pick from those and then add. So to preview it, how it will look like, you can click on design. So here, how does it look like? All right, so Sway is like adding cards of your content, card by card. When you click here, adding content, you will get the two suggested one. And from here, the common tabs, like adding heading, text, image, stack. Here, stack, if you remember that I did it with my Sway that I showed you, when you have a group of picture. And upload, if you wanted to upload another file. If you click here, the text tab, you can add either a heading or a text, or media. For media, you can add image, video, audio, embed like something like Google Form, sorry, Microsoft Form, or like Twitter, or you can upload it from here as well. For the group tab here, it means like the content is like a number of content, different content. It will be it will be treated as one unit. So it will be organized in grid or in slideshow, in stack show, or in automatic. For example, like you have a picture and a very long passage for that picture. So when students or when the audience reach that part or the group part, they will get that picture. It will remain, and you're gonna scroll down until you finish your passage, and then you will move to the other card. So it will be treated as one unit. All right, let's say I wanted to add text here. Let's say this is what I wanted to add. Yeah, and from here you again you can select the things that you want to emphasize. All right, and from here you can decide the size of the card. So by clicking here, the card is going to be bigger, and even the line will be bigger. So you have moderate emphasis or subtle move emphasis. All right, and you can add link here. Let's add another thing. It's very easy to move card by card to move them. Like by selecting here, you can change the place of the or the order of cards. Let's add an image. My device. And then you can add the caption here. So you will decide on the place of the caption. So from here you can decide the emphasis from subtle, moderate, or intense. So let's make it intense. Focus points, this is for pictures, like you will decide how do you want it to look like. In this, how does it look like in computer screen, and this is in phone screen. So you will decide, let's say you want the entire image to show, or maybe it's something, let's say only here. So you can decide what's the focus of the image. Okay, in this time I want the entire image. Then and then we can add second number of pictures. Here group. From here you can change the group type. So either in grid or in stack. So let's add, okay, and we will add them. Let's see how does it look like in design. So still I haven't chosen the style, but by default it's in horizontal layout. And from here, so from styles here, when you click on design, you can choose your style for this way. From here, you can choose the layout, either vertical, horizontal, or slides. And here you will choose the style for your sway. For example, you want it to be in this way, in this style, sorry. Or this one, or here. So each line, it has the same style, just the color. And here, another one. All right, let's say you already chose your style, but you want to change the color or the font type. You can do that from customize. So click customize. And from here, if you click on the picture, so the color inspiration comes from the picture, or you can, because I uploaded these two pictures, so you can pick one of them so to get the color from, or you can choose them yourself from here. The font type, you can change them from here as well, like, or All right, or just you can click on remix. So by clicking on remix, Sway will pick combination of styles for you. So here it's in vertical layout, and here is another style. All right, so let's move to the last point, which is sharing options. Let's say this is my sway. So when I go to the story line and it's ready, once it's ready and you wanted to share it with others, you will click on share. And here you will decide if you click on specific people or groups or those in your organization with the link. So you can tell who viewed your sway. But if it's anyone with a link, of course you cannot tell, but you will get the number of views. You can share the link, or you can click on here, get visual link, so it will look like this. That's all about Sway. I hope that you will enjoy it, and you will explore it with your students one day. Thank you for watching.